Master 20. The horizontal batch freezers named Master is the latest product in our range. They are high-yield type, easy to use, and user-friendly gelato machines, with appealing-looking and ergonomic design. It's an ideal machine for gelato chefs to make gelato or sorbet. Freestanding machine for medium to large batching gelato demand. It fits for those who desire to open a gelato shop, dessert shop, etc. Removable and flexible agitator blades touch the horizontal cylinder to obtain a consistent and homogeneous mixing.